Hello to everyone. Okay, so here is my chocolate chip cookies, and I will pick one. Let's see, this one looks good. So these are cheap. I use my Crisco shortening, and I bought the chocolate chips at Dollar Tree. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23. So about 2 dozen cookies. That's a half batch. And then I will put the recipe on Twitter. And here is my loaf of bread. I just took it out of the oven. Okay, now this is going to taste good with, guess what? A little batch of gravy. I'm not making gravy tonight, but sometime this week I will make gravy. And then the other thing, if you've been following me, I take my homemade bread, I put cheese on my homemade bread, and then I put it under the broiler, and then I put salsa, and then I drink tea. So those are some really cheap meals. And so this is a pretty good little start on my week. So I want to encourage you guys, if you don't want to make cookies and you don't want to make bread, just go to Dollar Tree and buy some. Their chocolate chip cookies are good, and so is their bread. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.